Welcome back, kids. Today in this new session we are going to learn how to make a beautiful rabbit. So let's get started. Here I had taken an A4 sheet and I had drawn a square in the center of my sheet. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a rabbit face first. So for that I will go very slowly and give the shape of the rabbit's mouth like this, and then with this corner you will go and make a ear, and with the same ear go like this and join it here. Now once this is done, let me make the body like this. Okay, and then kids, from here we are going to make, so till here the feet are drawn. Now I'm going to add a tail, very small, like this. And now the detailing part. So for that, first I'm going to make a eyes like this. Okay, and then some whiskers. Okay, now the shape of the ears. Then make two lines here like this. Here the rabbit is all drawn. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a carrot here because rabbit loves to eat carrot. So a small carrot. After finishing with the sketch, we are going to outline it with the black sketch pen. So like this, going very slow, making some lines inside. Now the face of the rabbit, the whiskers, then ears, so covering all the lines. Like this way, going from down to up. So here the outlines are also done, and the next part is now the important part, that we are going to erase the lines or the pencil marks which are visible in our art. So like this, slowly, very slowly, just rub the or erase the lines and the marks with the pencil. So this way it's done. After this, the next step is to add colors in our artwork. So for that I had picked a brush pen of pink color, very light shade, and going very slowly and covering from inside. I'm not going to fill this completely, I'm just going to cover the lines. Very slowly from here. Now in the tail I'm going to fill completely. So this way we are done with the pink. Now we are going to add color in the carrot, the orange color, and then some green in the leaves like this. So once this is done till here, now the next step is to give a shade, and that with the help of the wax crayon. So very slowly, I'm not putting any pressure, just giving a shading the edges so that it will give a little pink furry look. like this, very gentle, very slowly, like this. After this, what we are going to do, with the help of the green Vicks crayon, the same, I'm going to cover the bottom part like this, very slowly, to give the grass effect. So here, first I'm going to complete very slowly and slowly. As you can see, the very light shade is coming. So same way we are going to cover the whole space. Only inside the square, not outside. So like this way. Once you are done with this, this is just to give the background effect. And on this, top of this, we are going to make grass with the help of dark green brush pen. So with this, from bottom till the middle, we are going to give the strokes like left, right, left, any strokes. Don't give it straight strokes because it will look then tacky. So try to give the real grass effect, like making some strokes going right, some left, some straight, this way here till the end. Once you are done, just try to cover the bottom with a straight line of the same color so that the white part which is visible will not be visible anymore. So this way our grass effect is done. Now our rabbit is all complete, and what I'm going to do, that I'm going to write here that I had learned it on KidsNagri. And kids, remember, if you like our drawing, please like and subscribe our channel. Now we will see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep creating your own rabbit. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.